Somebody's talking through a Motorola. Somebody's counting up the load on the block real neat. There's a fresh cut cylinder riding horizontal, 30 feet of muscle, creosote and charm. Cori the cat is watching from the window, while the man in the bucket keeps time with one arm. They took the old king down yesterday, left him by the curb to rest. Now the new kid's rolling vertical, nobody wants to call it yet. Raise that new wood on Manor Crest, set it where the old one stood. Keep the cable boys smiling, make the whole block sound good. Everybody wants connection, nobody wants to know the rest. So raise that new wood, baby, high above Manor Crest. Solar panels catching like a clean white promise, black wire hanging loose like a two-bit loan. The foreman tips his head toward the cross arm, like he's reading the changes on a company phone. Two outriggers planted in the asphalt, hydraulics purring in the August haze. Somewhere down the block a blender's buzzing, waiting on the crew to land the sway. You can call it progress, you can call it the grid, but sooner or later somebody's gotta set that timber in the pit. Raise that new wood on Manor Crest, let the transformers hum. Give the neighborhood your best, there's another century coming on. Fiber, copper, voltage, data, all the things we can't forget, hanging from a piece of timber high above Manor Crest. Oh, the city sends a notice, the utility sends a crew, the homeowner sends an email saying exactly what are you going to do. But the boom keeps turning slow, the pole keeps climbing high, and everybody gets a little playful when 30 feet of lumber hits the sky. Now she's standing straight beside the driveway, brand new hardware in the afternoon light. The trucks will roll out with the evening, and by tomorrow nobody'll notice she's upright. But tonight the router's blinking satisfaction, refrigerators hum their steady part, civilization's flashy little machine still leans on a timber in the dark. Raise that new wood on Manor Crest, where the wires cross the west. No champagne and no procession, just a lineman doing his best. You can keep your grand inventions, your satellite